Hello? Are you with me? Okay, so let's see. How do we change decimals to percentages, right? We have a previous video about changing fractions to percentages. Same thing that happens, right? We multiply by 100. So for example, I have 2.05. What is it going to be in percentage? What is it going to be? Multiply by 100. So how do you multiply decimals by 100? The same principle that applies, right? When you're multiplying by whole tens or 100. So because 100 has 2 zeros, and we are multiplying. Multiply makes something bigger, isn't it? So that means we are going forward. Division makes something smaller. So you go backward. That should help you understand. So what do? I want to change the position of this decimal. Taking it 2 places forward. Leave here. 1 step. No, you're not staying there. Take it here. 2nd step. So it comes and stays here. It's leaving here totally. So you're not going to be writing 2.05 and another one. No, this is not the way decimals are written. Okay, that's not it. It is leaving there. Shifting position. Say shift. Shift it. Shift position. Okay, so it's shifting, right? So that means that what we're doing now, I'm trying to get my pen. My pen seems to be flying away. Okay, I have it now. So then I have 2. The decimal is no longer there. 0, 5. It's here, but after a number doesn't really make any difference. So I don't need to write it, right? Because there's no other digit after it. So that means 2.05 is the same thing as what? It's the same thing as 205%. Let's say we have 42.368, right? What is this number going to be as a percentage? What is it going to be? Let me see. I'm taking 2 steps forward. So 2 steps forward. Why? Because 100 again has 2 zeros. So this decimal point leaves here and it's doing 2 places. 1, no, don't stay there. 2, it's going to stay between 6 and 8. So I have 4236. My decimal point is now here, and then I have 8. You want to say this as a number. 4,236.8. Now, like the big boy and big girl or big girl that you are, you don't even need to be drawing the steps, right? You can quickly do this mentally once you get a hold of it. So let's say I have 257.25. What is this going to be in percentage, right? I don't need to be drawing. After the decimal, I'm just going to count 2. 1, 2. You see that? So you can quickly take a snapshot and look at it. And you've arrived at 5725 because I know 1, 2, I'm moving. 1, 2. If it is more than that, 1, 2. Right? You just move. Okay? And that's how to change the decimals to percentages. Multiply it by 100. Okay? So again, remember, practice is very important if you are going to be exceptional in mathematics. So try as much examples as you can. And if you have to solve it in class, don't ever give up on any question just because you see changing it to percentages. Alright? Give it your best. And I pray that God blesses your effort. God bless you.